Hey guys, welcome back. It's Graham. This is a bit of a different video for those of you who are new. As you guys know, I've been doing cryptocurrency videos lately, but what this channel was built on was Amazon FBA businesses, and that's what a lot of my old subscribers are used to. So if you're here just for cryptocurrency, just know that I'm going to be doing one Amazon FBA video every Tuesday from now on. And I'm going to continue doing cryptocurrency videos pretty much daily, but if you guys aren't interested in the Amazon FBA stuff, just don't watch the Amazon FBA videos on Tuesday. And for those of you Amazon subscribers, you guys can watch on Tuesdays and you don't need to watch on the rest of the days. But I definitely feel responsible that I should continue to do some Amazon videos because that's where my loyal subscribers are really coming from, and that's what they want. That's why they subscribe to me in the first place, so I gotta show them some love. So let's get into it. Today's topic, we're gonna talk about how to scale up your business. So a lot of people are, if they've started, they maybe are earning $25 profit a day, or 50 or 100, but I wanna focus on scaling up your Amazon business from maybe $100 profit a day to 500 or 1,000 profit per day. With Amazon, it's actually not as tough as you'd expect. And it's something that I'm not quite to those upper levels yet, but I should be soon, and I've experienced the growth from making $50 profit a day to much higher now. So I just wanted to give some actionable steps of how you guys can really scale up your business and how it's super easy with Amazon FBA to triple or quadruple your daily profits or monthly income. It's just so easy because Amazon is so scalable. So yeah, I'll just give you guys some actionable steps and let's get right into it. So for those of you that do have an Amazon product or two running live and you're making sales and things are going okay, there's typically just a few things that are limiting you. So the number one thing that most people seem to be limited by is their capital, like how much money they have. Because a lot of people get into Amazon FBA because they have $1,000 or $2,000 saved up and they want to turn that into some extra income. So a lot of people are restricted by their capital, and that's just one of the major drawbacks. Another thing that people might be being held back by is just that they haven't introduced any more new products. So they have their product or two that's going well, but they're not hustling and getting more products in. And the third major sticking point that you could be being held back by right now, maybe you just don't have time or maybe you just haven't got around to it, but is improving the current products. So I'll talk about those three major drawback points: the capital you have, adding new products, as well as improving your existing products. So for the first limiting factor that might be holding you back from, say, tripling your income on Amazon would be your capital. So if you only have $2,000 that you have expendable to start a business, then it's not going to be the easiest to just come up with a bunch of capital, of course. Obviously, you can do stuff outside of Amazon, such as working extra hours or picking up a second job. Obviously, none of that is fun, but you got to realize that it's going to compound. So if you can work an extra job for 3 months and make another $6,000, that could be 3 new products that you are able to launch then. And because of those 3 new products, they all multiply your income and it comes in faster and faster until it builds up and builds up. Another thing you can do is, if you don't have time to work another job or pick up more hours or find a better job, is to really focus on your Amazon products, increasing the profit margins. So if you have a product where you have to sink $3,000 in for inventory and it's only netting you $3 to $5 a sale, maybe you would be better off to allocate your available funds into products that cost less. So maybe you only have to buy them for $1 each and you're making $10 profit on them. Obviously those are hard to find, but I have several products where I pay less than $2 for the units and they make me between $7 and $10 per sale. Obviously you're never gonna find products that have tons of sales with that profit margin and that low of cost, but these products of mine sell about 100 units a month, 2 of them, and they both make me, we'll say an average of $9, we'll just say $10 to make it easy. So if I'm getting 100 sales from each of them, that's 200 sales at $10 profit, that's $2 grand a month, and these units are so cheap to purchase that 500 units is only $500. So really look at the way that your Amazon product is, how much is it costing you up front, and what is the return on investment. So basically focus on the return on investment a lot more than the profit per sale, if that makes sense. Just allocate your funds to cheaper products that you can actually purchase more of, and that will allow you to grow your income more so that you can introduce more new products. So the second limiting factor that might be between you and tripling your business or getting to $1,000 profit per day is the amount of products that you're selling. Because you can sell one amazing product that earns you $200 a day and you have nailed a home run, you've gotten a great product, but I myself could come in and do a crappy job of product selection, but I've done 5 of them. And maybe I have 5 products that all earn me $60 a day, and they're not hard to get into. I don't have to spend a bunch of promotional money, and I can keep replicating this over and over and just finding easy niches that get me a few sales, and quickly that's going to add up over time. So if you're finding cheap products and ones that there's not very much competition, that's super simple to make a $500 investment turn into $1,000 profit a month. And the thing about Amazon is once your product is up and running, it literally takes like 10 minutes a day of your time. So there's really no cap on how many products you can add. And if money isn't an issue in terms of your startup capital, why aren't you adding more and more products all the time? So I've got to a point now where in about a week I'll have 7 products live, and I am going to kind of reevaluate and maybe cut out one product, but after that point there's no reason why I can't get to 20 products. And you know, it can only build from there because your time isn't being taken up by these products. It's basically set it and forget it and move on to your next product and just keep adding to your daily, monthly profits, because there's no limiting factor on adding new products other than capital. Funny story, actually, there's people that when I was out in Thailand, they kind of had a romantic idea about their own product. Like, oh, my product earns me $200 a day. And it's like, well, that's good for you, but one of my product earns me 100. And so they think, oh, okay, well, my product's better than yours. Yeah, but my 4 other products all earn me 50 bucks a day. So like, it doesn't really matter how good your products is, just total all the products and how much profit they're making you. You could go easily within a year or two, have 100 tiny products live that each make you $20 a day. That's gonna be an insane amount of money. That's like 20 grand a month just from listing 100 products. Like the whole listing and sourcing of products takes a bit of time, but it's doable and it's just replicatable. So they don't need to be making you $200 a day. If they make you $20 a day, great. Just replicate it a bunch of times, add more products, and soon you're gonna be making substantial amounts of money. And then the third limiting factor that might be holding you back from maximum profit is remembering to optimize your current products. So I have competitors that are 16th on the page. They probably earn about $50 profit a day. If they spent $500 and marketed their product really well for a month, they could boost their profit from $50 a day to $100 a day, just by moving up the keyword ranking, getting some more reviews, and getting more exposure to their product. So that $500 investment of marketing and allocating some money towards promotions is going to turn into more revenue every month, and it's going to pay itself off very quickly. So most people that have a product running could be doing some simple tweaks or promotions that would boost their income from now on. So if you move up the page on a keyword ranking from 10th to 5th, you're instantly gonna get more exposure and more sales. So even if you have to invest even up to like $1,000 to promote a product and get some more keyword ranking and reviews and all that, it can pay itself off so quickly that sometimes you'll double your profits and you'll pay that investment money off, like, you know, for promotions, for example. You'll have made that back within a month. And then every month reoccurring afterwards, all that extra profit is benefiting off of a small investment you made to boost your initial product. So think of it in a long-term game rather than a short-term game. I had a little bit of a hang up on that at the start, like, ooh, I don't want to spend $150 on pictures, but when $150 pictures get you more clicks, more sales, move you up the keyword rank, and they make you an extra 2 sales a day at $10 profit, you're instantly gonna see that investment recovered within a month. And from then on, you're making more and more money. So think of it as a long-term game, and it actually is super simple to scale up an Amazon business. Amazon makes it so easy that once your product research is done and you have the product to Amazon, all you ever really have to do is reorder inventory and just make sure that your product is still ranked fairly high for your main keywords, or at the very top is always the best. So those are the 3 things that might be holding you guys back from making crazy amounts of money. A lot of people have this mindset that $300 or $500 or $1,000 profit a day is just not possible. But once you have a product that makes you $50 a day, you're gonna realize, like, this is taking none of my time up. There's no reason why I can't do this 10 more times and make $500 profit a day. It's really something you gotta get your mind around, but it becomes way more attainable once you taste it for the first experience of, okay, now I'm making money. Now all I have to do is repeat this and I'll make that much more money. A lot of it is in your mind, and you really just gotta push through it and keep growing with your Amazon business, and you're gonna see crazy profits before you know it, honestly. As long as you do your product research, things are gonna go extremely well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to post any like success stories of how you guys have been able to grow your business, I love hearing that. If I've been any help in you achieving that, then that makes me feel even better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are new here, subscribe. I will be releasing Amazon videos every Tuesday. And if you're not interested in my cryptocurrency videos, just don't watch it. Those are gonna be pretty much daily. But yeah, tune in on Tuesdays if that's what you're looking for. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope that could be some help for you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.